Hello everyone, I am Aarti Agarkar. Today we discuss about 10 interview experience in one video. So it is a so interesting thing, 10 interview experience and only in one video. So friends, now let's go about our content. So I can share you my friends and candidate response on their interviews. So first candidate told me what question they got into the interview. So about the concept, Java, web development questions, and also project regarding questions, and HR questions like strength and weaknesses. Why the TCS and working shift and relocation, such type of HR question first candidate got. Then now we are going to second candidate. So second candidate. So we read second candidate response. In their interview they ask the SQL, RDBMS and DBMS and joins. Also family background and working shift and why TCS. Means these are the HR question. And why SQL, RDBMS and DBMS? Because he having this concept into his resume. By this he got such type of questions. So what information contain your video resume depends upon what type of question they ask you. So please always go through your resume very well and prepare that topics, because on that topics they only ask you the questions. So third student told me his interview oops concept he got, then SQL questions, HR questions like strength and weakness and relocation. So you will got the information that all the some questions always repeat in an interview, and Fibonacci sequence, structure, coding questions, oops related questions, and shift and relocation. Always HR ask you about the shift and relocation. So always prepare the well answer about that. So fourth told, firstly he give his introduction to HR ma'am, then technical, and then MR. In technical round they ask about project, and he having a 2 or more projects. So due to that reason mini project and main project they ask. Also HTML website they ask, and development training, and ask about the question on that. Then data structure, then ask about the data structure, and binary tree, one programming logic question, and I do not understand, so I said I don't know about it, but definitely see it. Understand, when you don't know, then told what you have information about that, so then only they can give you. Also he got the stat question, Q question, SQL comments, and DBMS question on SQL, MySQL, Java questions, because he guys having so much such a concept in his resume. Due to that reason he got so much questions. And some these are the HR question about relocation, work in shift and others. So now the fourth guy we Now we are moving towards fifth. Now we are moving towards fifth. So first I clean my screen, and then you are easily got. He got the questions about the projects, technologies, and also about the basic Java concept, area of interest and relocation, and working shift. Also, 6 candidates got OOPS concept and Java concept, because he told that Java is my command language. Due to that reason, they asked the question about the Java. I have selected the Java language. Due to that reason, they asked the question. So understand that. And project and relocation and strength and weakness. Again, now seventh candidate. Seventh candidate told us the questions based on C, HR questions like relocation, working shift, and reason to join IT industry, because he is not IT candidate. Due to that reason, they ask why you want to join the TCS, because you are non-IT. So also why. Now we move towards 8th candidate. So 8th candidate told us project regarding the questions, OOPS concept, and HR questions, why TCS, relocation, strength and weakness, and hobbies and justification. Also 9th candidate give me the response of their interview. So OOPS concept is very much important for the freshers. Java, if you select Java language, then they ask the Java related questions, and mini project or project, and relocation and why TCS. So now we are moving towards next. Now some important tips we want to share with you. These are some important tips, and now we got the information that the OOPS concept, project, mini project, or the information you have put on in your resume, that is so much important. So always go through that and always prepare the questions related that information. So friends, I am giving you some interview questions about any interview, about any IT interview. So please go through that. I give you the link in a description box. So don't worry. Always always see, and you got the information. Now it is easy to get. Yes, it is easy. So thank you. Like, share and subscribe my channel.